Can a robot cook better than a human?
This is a question I never thought I would answer, but apparently you can get kitchens that cook things for yourself. Like they cook them without you doing anything, which blows my mind. But I think it's gonna be humans, surely. We're the one that tastes it. We get to go, nope, needs more salt, needs more sage, or whatever. A robot can't go, I think it needs more pepper. I don't believe in that. So I think humans make better cooks. That being said, we do need appliances to cook with. You can't bake something without an oven. You can't fry something without a heater. So I think we work together to cook. But all in all, humans make far better cooks.
Would I trust a robot to cook for me at home? I think I would. The rational part of me thinks, that would be wonderful. I don't ever have to pick up a knife ever again, only to eat myself. I'd say, hey, you, robot, make me some tacos, and it would just happen. That would be awesome. I wouldn't have to make any thought. I wouldn't have to do any of the prep. Think of the amount of time you would have to do so many other things. But then the irrational side of my brain gets a bit scared. I've watched too many sci-fi movies about robots taking over the world. I would worry it would have some sort of malfunction and maybe pick up that knife and then start chasing me around my house with a knife. So I would be a little bit scared. I think it would take me some time to get used to the robot cooking the food for me. I would watch them with one eye on him. I'd be in the living room watching telly, but I'd have one eye on that robot just to check that they're not going to kill me with a knife at any point. What about you? Would you have a robot cook your food?
Anne-Marie Talks